What is flicker? Why flicker is happening? Let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Aria, I'm a filmmaker. Before we get into the video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, turn on notification and stay tuned for weekly videos. Have you ever shot a video with your camera or your phone and later when you watch your footage you see some weird black bars that keeps going up on your footage like this? This is flicker. I'm sure you've seen it before. Alright, I'm gonna keep this simple. I'm not getting into the actual technicality of what is light frequency and how does the camera shutter angle works. Generally, what's the science behind all these? I'm gonna keep this simple. So the problem appears when artificial lights are involved. When you're shooting in natural light, there is no problem. Or even when you are shooting with a professional LED video lights, you are good to go. But when you are using non-professional artificial lights or even the lights in your house, there's a problem. In many situations, you will find yourself in a place that you have no control of lighting. Actually, flicker happens when your camera shutter speed and the frequency of light are not in sync. Let me explain. For example, when you are shooting 24 frames per second and a shutter speed of 1/50th of a second, it means that in every 1 second, your camera sensor captures 24 still images in the speed of 1/50th of a second, right? Now imagine the frequency of light like something that goes on and off 24 times in every second with the speed of 1/50th of a second. Actually, this last part I'm just rambling on because I want to keep this simple. Okay, now the shutter speed of your camera and the frequency of light are actually in sync. But if you change your shutter speed, or if you change your frame rates, or if you change both of them, you may see some flicker in your footage. So, what can we do about it? Like I said before, if you are in natural light or you are using the professional video LED lights, there's no problem, you're good to go. But in many environments, we see all kinds of artificial lights everywhere, but we don't know what frequency they're having. And because of that, you are most likely to see the flicker on your footage. If so, you need to play with your shutter speed and your frame rate until you see no flicker. Or sometimes when you are using 180-degree rule, the problem solves itself. The 180-degree rule is a relationship between shutter speed and frame rate. If you are not sure what that means, let me know down in the comment and I will make a video about it. By the way, for people who are shooting with their phones, there are many apps that allows them to actually adjust the shutter speed and their frame rate. Now, if you do all that and you still getting flicker, it means somewhere there is actually a artificial light that doesn't sync with your shutter speed at all, no matter what you do. So you need to get rid of that light. If you are not in charge or your footage is kind of done, you need to remove the flicker in post. And I will make a video about that as well. Now, some pro tips. When you are checking your footage and you want to make sure that there is no flicker, don't use your camera monitor because most of the time you will not see it. Copy your footage to your laptop, your PC, somewhere else, and check your footage on your laptop or something. And if you want to buy a non-professional LED light, make sure that you test the light with your camera in different frame rates and different shutter speed. If you don't see any flicker in any shutter speed and any frame rates, then you can buy the light. Because dealing with flicker in your videos could be so exhausting. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you do, hit the thumbs up, comment down below, share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one.